Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide the hamburger menu in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And once you do that, you can continue with Google. You can continue with your business or email address, or just click the More options, and from here you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, hiding the hamburger menu in Squarespace typically involves a custom CSS code, since Squarespace templates are designed to include a responsive menu for mobile devices. Now, for you to be able to do that, just select the website that you wanted to hide the hamburger menu, right? Say, for example, this one, click on it, and what will happen is you will be directed here, and there are several reasons why someone might want to hide the hamburger menu. When you click on the desktop version or the mobile version, as you can see, some website owners may prefer a more customized navigation layout that doesn't include the standard hamburger menu icon, which is this one right here. That's the hamburger menu icon for those who are not familiar here in Squarespace. Now, let me just tell you that hiding the hamburger menu, I believe you can create a cleaner and less cluttered interface, especially for websites with a specific design aesthetic or minimalistic approach. Now, for certain websites, hiding the hamburger menu may help focus the user's attention on another important elements of the page, such as, call to action or key content or some designs that you wanted to showcase to your customers. And of course, some website owners may want to display a different navigation layout for the desktop users compared to mobile users. Now, hiding the hamburger menu on desktop while keeping it visible on mobile devices can be a part of the strategy. Now, for us to be able to hide this hamburger, what we need to do is go to our custom CSS editor. All right. Now, for you to be able to do that, go to Pages and go to the Web Tools right here. And as you can see, just go to the Custom CSS. And now from here, once you're here, all you're going to do is navigate to the left side panel and paste the specific CSS code here. And when you click on it, as you can see, the hamburger menu is already been hidden, right? And let me just delete that again so you can see the changes right here. As you can see, it appears again, but when we paste the code, it's gone. All right. Now, that's a straightforward process on how to hide the hamburger menu in Squarespace. And remember, the decision to hide the hamburger menu in Squarespace depends on the specific goals and, of course, design preferences on the user experience of the website owner, plus, of course, to the customer or visitors of your website. Now, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider how the navigation choices align with the overall objectives of your website. And again, all you're going to do is paste on it, and once you've done that, click on Save. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.